Let me ask you this, are you a conformer or are you a preformer? The spotlight this week has really been taken over by Dani Francis's novel, Silver Elite. Whether you did or did not read Silver Elite, it doesn't necessarily matter, but your thoughts on the novel, your feelings on the novel, that is what matters here. There's a phenomenon in social psychology that's called group polarization. Now, you definitely don't need to understand the ins and outs, but what you do need to understand is that group influences thought. In social media in specific, it's the anonymous individuals that pull groups apart because they're presenting the overall groups their extreme position. Now you may be asking, why does this matter? The reason is that the increase in popularity in this novel has basically stripped book talk into two different parts. One that is pro-Silver Elite and one that is anti-Silver Elite. Here's the weird thing about this phenomenon though. With you guys in particular, I'm not entirely sure that you guys know each other's group exists. There's a few book reviewing outliers there, but mostly what's happening is that we're either getting extreme pro or extreme con with no acknowledgement for the other side. And everyone is bandwagoning in. As an outsider who doesn't even know who Dani Francis is, what Silver Elite's even about, I'm seeing these two groups basically at war between an invisible wall. The funny thing here is that even as an outsider, I'm still the one engaging with my algorithm. I'm enjoying that you guys are talking about it in your own separate groups, and it even intrigues me so much so that I want to pick up a copy of Silver Elite just to figure out what all the fuss is about, therefore increasing the overall validity of this phenomenon called group polarization. I don't know if that made sense. Should I read this book?